Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how you can change the year on Google Maps. This is very simple. This is for looking at all pictures of your city, town or whatever. Well, actually you have to go to the location you want to change the date and you have to open the street view and place it in the place you want to do this. As you can see, I'm here on Wichita, Kansas in a gas station. And now here in the left corner you have to press this blue button of more dates. And as you can see, I have 2017 and 2018. So in this place actually there are only these two images. So I'm going to go to another one. For example, this random location here. Press the button and as you can see I have a lot of options. 2007, 2009, 2011, 12, 15, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23. So this is very useful. So if this video helped you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. See you next time. Easy way.